Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Braun Series 7 790cc electric razor for men, rechargeable, and cordless electric shaver, foil shaver, silver, with clean charge station, and travel case. With this cleaning station that does the routine maintenance to keep the blades clean, and pays for itself over time. This shaver does an excellent job there, leaving me smooth right up to the stash. The new Remington, however, does a much better job than the Braun at 14 of the price. The cleaning system appears to me as a way for Braun to increase their revenue by forcing you to buy replacement cartridge cleaning solution for this razor, and others in their product line. Love it. Provides a nice, really close shave, far superior to what the high-end Norelco shaver gave me. Yes, there is a cost to it to buy cleaning cartridges, but think of the money you are not investing in overpriced blades and shaving cream. Now, for some specific points about this razor. Overall feels great in the hand. It's also nice that it gets sanitized with an alcohol-based solution during the process. The area below the jaw right at the neck requires a few additional passes in different directions to get all the hairs, but this seems to be a common problem area with all electric shavers. The 790 adds a quick clean feature, which is supposed to clean the shaver in about 30 seconds if you're in a hurry. The hygiene meter goes down by about 13 for each shave, and seems to have no bearing on how dirty the shaver actually is. Manually cleaning the shaver does not bring it back up no matter how good a job you do. No, not as close as a straight razor, but good enough that the savings in time and convenience make it worthwhile. It doesn't catch everything even after multiple passes, and makes me look shabby in a few hours. Limited for a reason. The shaver detachable foil blades head are not covered, and are the first part of the unit to break, which is undoubtedly why that specific part is not covered in the warranty. The worst part of all this is that single minimal part cost $85. The blades for the Panasonic are also modular replaceable, meaning you can change the foil and blade separately for a $415. The Braun Series 7 shaver has impressed me from day one out of the box. Gone are the days of going back over with a traditional razor to get spots that the electric razor missed. It has always done an excellent job cleaning the razor, and it looks brand new when it is done cleaning. There are 3 power settings for the motor, and it's tough to remember the LED color code associated with each power setting. This shaver has a head locking feature, does help get the tough places to reach, like right under the nostrils. The 790cc's pop-up trimmer feels flimsy, awkward, and very cheap. Also, the lock is positioned on the head of the shaver, also flimsy. It shaves really well, and cuts as close as a traditional blade would without overdrying your skin. When you hold the shaver in your hand, you can tell it is a quality shaver. It has the right weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap in any way. How hard can it be to design a straight, and not curved trimmer? Do not expect to be getting a nice straight line with basic sideburns, or goatee, or pre-shave properly if you've let your beard grow for a while. The pivoting head is well done, and the pop-up trimmer takes care of evening out sideburn area. The quality control of this shaver is simply too poor for me to consider continued investment in additional Braun shavers, but it shaves closely, runs quietly, and seems to keep the larger shavings inside the head instead of getting dropped all on the floor. Yet it doesn't state anywhere on the product page that the product is not returnable. The charging and having to clean can be quick if you have something to do for like 20 minutes, so it doesn't bother me. The product seems very sturdy and well made. The visual aspect, it is very appealing and well designed. Internet research revealed that the battery is superglued to the circuit board, making replacement impossible, which really pisses me off. The body of the unit is a sculpted circular shape, unlike the rectangular bodies before, similar to the rotary shavers. It feels very comfortable in the hand, and is easy to grip due to the textured material on the sides of the body. The pop-up trimmer doesn't extend up vertically, but rotates up from the front of the body. The foil and cutter block are now integrated into one unit called a cartridge, and can't be manually taken apart if you want to clean them by hand. When you're on the road, or if the battery goes, you'll be without a working shaver. It does the job well enough for a quick shave, but there are plenty of stubbles left afterwards. The cleaning system is superior to any out there, and leaves the razor clean and lubricated. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.